If you're currently on the struggle bus to come up with YouTube video ideas that actually get views, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 simple ways you can consistently generate a flow of video ideas that will boost your views and help grow your channel faster. So, if you're ready, let's jump into this first one. Most people don't know this, but looking at the questions from your community is a great place full of content ideas. And it's coming from people who consume your content. There is one caveat to this though. You can only find these questions from your viewers on your phone in the YouTube Studio app. Let me show you exactly where to find this. So once we're in the YouTube Studio app, we are going to go to Community and then scroll on over to Contains Questions. We're going to click on that. And from here, you could see a whole bunch of questions from your viewers. And these are great questions that you could turn into video ideas. Here's a great example. One person had a question. Hi sir, are you looking for professional YouTube thumbnail designer? Great. You can actually make a video on where to find the best YouTube video designers. That's simple. And as your channel grows, more questions will keep coming in and there'll be a whole slew of video ideas you can make content on. This next one is reviewing your top performing videos. This will actually show you what your viewers like watching, and you can make similar videos just like that. What you're gonna do is go over to the YouTube Studio, either from your phone or your laptop, doesn't matter. You're gonna go into Content, and then you're gonna find the videos that are currently getting views and create videos similar to that. You could do follow-up videos, updated versions, things like that. Here's an example. If you have a tutorial on, can I monetize my YouTube channel with just my phone? And that one's performing well, you can even make a follow-up video on that, like how to easily improve your YouTube videos if you're using your phone. That's simple. This third idea is the Trends tab, and you can actually find this in your YouTube Analytics. And you can either do this from your laptop or your phone. You're gonna go over to Analytics, and then head on over to Trends up here on the top. And in here's where all the magic happens. As you can see, YouTube already is starting to understand my channel, is giving me some ideas right here, what people are looking for, and videos for inspiration. So here's 3 that I pulled up right now. So YouTube banned this, 1.2 million views on Facebook. This one was posted 2 weeks ago, and it's got 168,000 views. But don't jump right into this. Let's take a look around a little bit more. So let's go to show more here first. Here's another one. This one was posted 1 week ago. How much money YouTube Shorts make now as of February 2025. So as you can see, more ideas here. So let's go back again. And then here, as you can see, here's another one, what people are looking for. Go to search all, gives you some more ideas there. So let's go to the trends and we'll type something in the search bar. We'll use my niche, for instance. Let's try lighting for YouTube videos and see what pulls up. Okay, so lighting for YouTube videos. This one has medium interest. So this is actually giving us some more ideas here. As you can see, top searches for this topic. There's a high volume of this kind of search topic, light setup for YouTube videos. So let's click on that. And it shows some of these were posted about a year ago or 2 years ago. And here's something powerful a lot of people don't talk about. If you go into the content gaps, this actually shows what people are looking for, but there's not enough content out there for this specific topic. So here's a good one. So content gap for shorts, high volume, good lighting screen. But as you can see, these content gaps here, there's tons of ideas here that you could actually make videos on. So this is definitely another area to check out. But as you can see, there's tons of ideas in here too. So yeah, if you haven't used content gaps before or the trends or any of that, definitely check out that, give you some ideas for more video ideas. All right, so this fourth idea is something I've talked about before, and it is super, super powerful. A lot of people use it. It's vidIQ. They actually have a Chrome extension too, and if you use the Chrome extension, as you can see, it'll show things when you're scrolling through your YouTube page. You can start seeing this video right here, beginner YouTube mistakes that destroy your views in 2025. Right now, there's 264 views per hour, which is great. This video is getting tons and tons of traffic, and it was posted 2 hours ago, so it seems like there's interest on this video. So if we scroll down some more, this one right here, I found the simplest way to revive your channel quickly. It was posted 1 day ago, and it's got 120 views per hour. That one's doing great too, so there's interest in that. But as you can see, vidIQ is a powerful tool, and it actually shows you how many people are interested in this and watching these videos as they're posted. This one was posted 2 months ago and is still getting traffic. Create realistic fake YouTube backgrounds for free with AI. This one's getting 50 views per hour, was posted 2 months ago. So there's another idea. And if we go to the actual vidIQ website, here's another cool thing you can do. If you look for outliners, the outliners tab right here will actually show you some more content in your niche that is getting a lot of views. So here, how YouTube is changing my life with less than 1,000 subscribers. It's got 59,000 views in the last 2 months. And it's getting 3 to 4 views per hour. So let's look at the channel and see. Got 161,000 subscribers. So 59,000 views, 161,000 subscribers. That video is not doing too bad. But let's see what else we have here. Here's another good one. This one was posted about a year ago. It got 20,000 views, and this person right here only has 4.2 thousand subscribers. So that video actually did pretty well. So that one might be something to consider too. Here, 1 week as a YouTube content creator tips. This person's got 36,000 subscribers and got 63,000 views. That one did 100 times better than the other videos similar to that one. So there's an idea too. But vidIQ is definitely a great tool to use and could definitely help you save time with coming up with video ideas, thumbnails, and all that. All right, in this last one, we're gonna go back to our YouTube studio. We're gonna go to analytics and then scroll down. And as you can see right here, this is the top content in this period. So this shows you right now what your viewers are watching and what's performing well. So right now, my top performing video is YouTube not recommending your videos. Turn this on now. That one's actually performing like way better than my other videos. As you can see, this one's got 23,000 views. And the other one's got 5,000, 2,000, 2,000, 1,500. And that's something to consider, a video similar to that. Or downloading free music. That one did pretty well too. So there's another idea. Like I mentioned in the first one, you can make follow-up videos on that, updated videos, things like that. Since those videos are performing well, there's a good chance that that video would perform well too. And there you have it. Now that you know how to generate endless YouTube video ideas, make sure to check out this video here where I show you the crucial settings that need to be turned on to boost your views and get the YouTube algorithm working in your favor. If you made it this far in the video, I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.